Hello everyone. I have here zucchini flowers that I picked up from the local farm. Aren't they beautiful? I don't know how they get them so big. It looks so, I don't know. My zucchini flowers are all like shriveled up. Anyway, I'm making the stuffed zucchini flowers today. Now, you could use ricotta, but this is mascarpone. When we were in Italy last year, we were there during the time when the zucchini blossoms were in season. And we had some that was stuffed with mascarpone. As I said, you could use ricotta if you don't want to get mascarpone. This is about 6 ounces of mascarpone, to which I'm gonna add 1 egg, a half a teaspoon of granulated garlic, about 2 ounces of shredded mozzarella, and about 1/4 cup of grated cheese, whichever kind you prefer. I use a Parmigiano Reggiano. And I mix these together. And what you're gonna do is, if you don't have a piping bag, you could use a ziplock, put it in a ziplock and cut the end, or you could use a tiny little demi-tasse spoon. This is what my Aunt Margie used to use when she stuffed the calamari, the squid. So I'm gonna mix these up, put them back on the tray, and put them in the refrigerator while I make the batter. You have to dip them in the batter. Okay, so this is pretty, you could put a little salt, but I find it to be just a dash of salt is good enough. A dash. That's a dash. Okay. Now I have here 18 flowers. I went there, and I've been going there to make the fried zucchini, and I asked her for 1.5 dozen, and she gave me a couple extra. So I'm gonna put this in the piping bag. Push it down and hold it together a little bit. You just take the zucchini and don't overstuff them. That's enough.
Have you hold it up again?
Mm-hmm.
Just hold it still. I'll move the camera. There you go. Looks like deviled egg mixture.
Looks like, yeah, not as yellow, but pretty close. Whoops. I'll be back when I'm finished filling these up. Okay, so I'm back, and I put the zucchini flowers, they're all stuffed, in the refrigerator to stay chilled while I make the batter. So what we're gonna do is, this is 1/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of milk, a little salt, grated cheese of choice.
Was that 1/4 cup?
Yes, 1/4 cup. And 2 eggs. It should be the consistency of a pancake batter. This seems a little too liquidy. So after I mix it up, I think I'm gonna add a little bit more flour, but in the meantime, I'll put in the chopped parsley. little bit more flour. I'll be back when the oil is
Just
heated.
go get the flour. Show them how to do it. Let's go. That's the pantry over there. In case you're wondering where she went. There you go.
This is all-purpose flour I have here. I'd say about another, maybe 1/8 of a cup.
So you started with a
So
quarter?
it started with a quarter, so maybe a 1/2 a cup.
3/8.
Or
3/8.
Yeah,
3/8 to a half.
yes.
Let's see how that
This
looks
is,
then.
yeah, this looks better. I left the cup in there. Okay. That's good. I got the zucchinis in the fridge. I'm gonna get them out. Ah, these are gonna be so good. Okay. Let's come over here a little bit. That's good. So what we're gonna do is dip it in and put it in. Don't crowd them. This is really good. I can't wait to try it. I'll be back when they're all fried. Okay, so these brown up real quickly.
And that was like a minute.
Yeah. Oh, so I have it on high. You could put it on medium high. I can lower it a little bit. So, like on a 7. This is electric, of course. That's not done. That's not done.
You want the golden brown, like
Yes.
with most fried stuff.
Yes, golden brown is absolutely correct. When you take them out, you put them on some paper towel to drain off the oil. I'm gonna stick another one in right here. They smell so good. There you go. Let's see. They should be golden brown. Use your own discretion. I'll be back when they're done. Okay, so I'm frying up the last of them. I got most of them done. I'm gonna taste it for you now. Wow, look at that, beautiful. Let me cool it off.
I was gonna say it's safe to say you
That's how
like
the
it.
Italians do it. They're delicious. I hope you try them. Until next time,
Look at
bon appetit.